Greetings everybody, Ben Beecher here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Please don't forget to subscribe to our page and like this video so you can keep up with all of our new inventory. Today we'll be going through the 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX. We walk up to the back of the boat here. You're going to see on the swim platform we have a fold down step / seat. So when you're coving out you can sit on it or just use it to help yourself into the back of the boat. Also, we have an easy release ladder. It goes down nice and deep. So you have two very easy ways to enter this boat from the water. We come up into the back of the boat. Notice this great sun pad, lounging pad, and this seat can reverse, making it even bigger area to lounge out while you're coving out. Also back here, notice we have plenty of 12 volt and USB hookups. Alright, and the remote stereo control. In-floor storage makes an excellent additional cooler space if need be. Alright, we walk into the boat, have our battery switches. Alright, more in-floor storage as well as under-seat storage. Here we have our battery charger hookup, so you can plug your boat in and charge up the battery. Also, your engine room release. We've got a 300 horsepower Mercury 6.2 in here. It'll give you plenty of power, but good fuel efficiency for running around the lake all day long. Moving forward, you can see the nice snap in, snap out sea deck in here. So this is removable if you like. Very soft on the feet, looks sharp and stays clean. Walking forward to the helm station here, we're going to notice we have a upgraded stereo system, Fusion touchscreen, and speakers everywhere, including on the tower. Notice we have the tower with the attached bimini. Also, you notice up at the helm we have a port side walkthrough rather than a center walkthrough, and what that helps out with is our head compartment. Down in here we have a porta head that actually is hooked up to pump out. With a fold down seat, so you can see just how much room you truly have inside this cuddy cabin on a 25-foot bow rider. It's truly phenomenal. Makes a great place for storage or to have a little privacy. Get out of the weather or whatever you need to do. Walking up front here, we have more storage underneath the seats as well as dedicated cooler storage. And up front here, we have a ladder and anchor storage. Notice the anti-skid here. If you park in, pull in forward, easy to walk on and off of this boat. Well, that does it for 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX. Once again, my name is Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. If you have any questions, thanks and have a great day.